Greetings, esteemed viewers of Extreme World Channel. Today, I bring you the latest updates on a significant incident that occurred on May 23, 2023 in Cubulero, Alianza, Honduras. Foreign families residing in this area have experienced the devastating impact of a widespread flood that has wreaked havoc on the community of El Cubero, situated in the southern region of the country. The intensity of this calamity can be attributed to the torrential rains unleashed by Tropical Storm Julia, which, within a matter of hours, unleashed chaos and destruction in various regions. The aftermath is evident, with streets completely submerged and severe damage reported throughout El Cubero. Responding swiftly to this dire situation, the courageous teams from the Red Cross, along with national police agents, have arrived on the scene to provide much needed support and aid. Reports indicate that at least 22 families, comprising 44 adults and around 16 children, have sought refuge in this area as their homes succumb to the rising floodwaters, with some properties submerged up to the rooftops. To stay informed about significant global developments and remain prepared for unforeseen disasters, I urge you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will remain up to date with the most crucial transformations occurring on our planet. Thank you for your continued support, and together, let us face these challenges head on, standing strong as a unified community.